what's up you guys? It's Savannah. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, thank you so much for being here. Today I did this cute little Valentine's Day look for you guys. So if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Alright, let's get started. First, I'm going to moisturize my face. What is everyone doing for Valentine's Day? Anything fun? I know I'm not doing anything, and I'm not even celebrating Valentine's Day this year because I'm good. So again, don't mind this situation. I'm still trying to get that figured out, but it's better than looking at the mess that's behind there. So we're working with it for right now. Next, I'm going to prime my face with the Touch Glorious Facial Primer by Unique. If I'm looking down, there's a mirror down here, that's why. I think I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation in shade 115. Looks like this. Anyone know any good products for acne scars? Because they're intense and I don't want them anymore. So if you know of any good products, leave them down below. You'll be my lifesaver. And I'm just going to dot it all over my face. I don't really know what kind of look we're gonna do today either. I'm just gonna make it up as we go, I guess. Okay, and I'm going to blend that out with my Real Techniques sponge. A little bit better. So now I'm going to go in with my Touch Mineral Skin Perfecting Concealer by Unique in shade Scarlet, which is the latest shade. A little of this stuff goes a long way. And blend that out again with my sponge. Alright, my under eyes are really creasy usually, so I'm going to go right in with my NYX HD Finishing Powder. It's translucent pressed powder. And take this sponge that I have, not really sure where it's from, but I'm going to set under my eye with this, the flat edge. Just put it on here, and then just press it under my eye. I do this powder for the parts that need extra setting because I can press it in. So like my chin breaks apart a little bit right here, my smile lines, and under my eyes. And then I will take my Touch Behold translucent setting powder, which is loose, and this, and take this little brush and set the rest of my face. Now my face is set, I'm going to spray a little setting spray on my face because my face is dry and it looks dry. And let that dry. I'm taking a piece of mail, yes. Now I'm going to take my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and it smells so good. Like tropical beach and coconuts. Just add a little warmth to this face. Notice I got the red shirt for Valentine's Day look. So corny. I don't even like Valentine's Day. It gets ruined every single year. But the only good thing about Valentine's Day is my little brother. If you haven't seen him, you can see him in some of my vlogs on my main channel, but his birthday is actually the day before Valentine's Day. So he's like my little Valentine baby. And that's the only thing that makes Valentine's Day enjoyable and alright because I'm celebrating the life of my little brother. I take the bronzer, I take it there. That's why I'm hitting pan, because I'm pale as shit. So I try to make myself look like I'm tan. Okay. Alright, so for brows, I'm going to be using my Moodstruck Precision Brow Liner in shade Blonde. It has a little spoolie on one end and a pencil on the other, which is really super thin. And I'm going to spoolie out my brows. I finally just waxed my eyebrows for the first time in like a year probably. So they're looking a little bit better than usual. And I haven't even been filling in my eyebrows recently. But like the ends of my eyebrows don't really grow like too much. So that's the only part that I feel the need to like fill in and make look better is the ends. So here I go with that. Alright, and then I like to take the spoolie and like extra spoolie out the front so it's a little lighter and blends better. And then I'll just run the spoolie along my eyebrows to make sure all my hairs are in place. Ooh, should we start on eyes? I think we should. My freaking eyeshadow brushes are dirty. That sucks. So, I don't really know what kind of a look I'm gonna be going for. Something light, pink, red, something like that. I'm gonna go in with Determined right here. I'm gonna take it on one of my Morphe brushes. It looks like this. I don't know the name of the brush, don't ask me because it doesn't say. But I'm going to use this as a transition shade. And hopefully that orange color that was on there does not show up. I'm like totally into cool tone colors, clearly. I don't know why. I'm like a little bit afraid of warm, which is weird because most people are like all into warm colors for shadows, but I am not. And if you guys know of any like good Morphe palettes to get that I can do like a bunch of looks with and also like use on other people for like a bunch of different looks, let me know. Because I'm in need of some good eyeshadows. I only have a few palettes that have like no colors. So like even this look that I'm trying to do right now is going to be pretty difficult to achieve because I have like no pinks or like Valentine's Day colors. So, I don't know. We'll figure it out. Oh, by the way, this is the Addiction 3 palette, Moodstruck Addiction 3 palette. And I'm going to dip into shade Tickled, which is a pink, the only pink I have. I'm going to focus that on the outer corner and in the crease. I'm kind of pressing it in my outer corners and then sweeping the rest through my crease. So I'm also going to press this on my inner corner. I'm going to add a color in the middle. This is the Cream Shadow Brush from Unique, just a small flat brush, synthetic. And I'm going to take, this is the Revolution Makeup Revolution London Ultra Eyeshadows, 32 Ultra Professional Eyeshadows palette. Looks like this. The shadows don't work that good, but this is the only eyeshadow palette that I have like actual colors in, so we're gonna try to make it work. So I'm gonna dip into this red shade right here and press that on my outer corner. Barely. Alright, and I'm gonna go back in with this blending brush and just blend the edges. Oh, I fall on this side too. I might just leave the outer corner dark and then do the inner pink. This pink right here. Okay, these colors need to get it together here. See, they don't work. They don't even like pick up. Like, they're pretty if they were to just pick up. I'm digging. I'm digging. Yeah, that's what I thought. The fallout. Holy smokes. It's because I'm scraping in the palette. See, this is why I need some better palettes to work with. Because this is a tragic situation here. I'm gonna take this purpley shade right here, dip into that. Maybe the mattes are better. This is a matte shade. And just place that a little bit in the crease. And I'm gonna go back in with that big fluffy brush and just buff out the edges. I'm gonna take this small smudge brush from Real Techniques and go into that purple shade that I used and buff that along my lower lash line. What are we thinking? What are we thinking about these eyes? I'm kind of liking them. Even though we struggled a little bit to get the color, I'm kind of feeling it. So once I get some new palettes, this will be easy peasy. But for now, we gotta struggle a little bit. Alright, so I guess that's gonna be it for eyeshadow. I'm gonna take my lacquer liner, 24-hour L'Oreal Infallible liner. Yeah, it's a little pot. It's black. And this brush is so dirty, don't judge me. This little brush to do my eyeliner. Alright, eyeliner is done. They do look different, I know that. I can never do my eyeliner exactly the same. I suck. I just got a brand new Epic mascara because I'm obsessed. I'm sure you guys have seen me use this before. This is the Epic mascara. This is what the brush looks like. Oh, you see that on my nail? Oops. This is literally my favorite mascara. It gives them volume, but also my favorite part about it is that it separates my lashes like really, really nicely. It doesn't make it look like I have like 2 chunks of eyelashes. It like separates them and makes it look like I have a lot of eyelashes. So, we're done with the eyes. I think they look pretty cute. Can't lie. I've never done something like this before. My lips are so dry, so I'm going to quickly use the Jeffree Star Velour Lip Scrub, and this is Spearmint. I'm obsessed with this stuff. Literally, it's like wild. Alright, so what are we thinking for lips? Do we want to do red? Do we want to do pink? Or pink? I think we might have to go with red. Maybe I'll do a little pink in the middle. I'm going to be taking the Jeffree Star Mini MUA collab in I'm Shook. This is my favorite red. I can never, ever, ever do my lips even. Ever. Should we add a little pink in the middle? For a little... touch. Oh, cute. Ooh. We got the ombre effect going. We're cute. We're cute. I almost forgot the most important part is highlighter. Duh. And as always, I'm going in my Jeffree Star Eclipse highlighter. I use this all the time. This is the only highlighter I use because I'm obsessed with it. We can't have a full glam look without highlighter. What was I thinking? Oh, we're getting it on there. We're looking like a... Woohoo! We are looking like a glazed donut. Now I'm gonna go do my hair and I will see you in a second. Alright, so this is the final Valentine's Day look. What do we think? Is it cute? So, yeah. I think it's cute. It's cute for a night out. It's cute to stay home and, you know, eat chocolate and watch Netflix in your bed and cry, you know. It's cute for either occasion. You could wear it anywhere, really. So, that's what I'll be doing. But, yeah. If you guys want any other looks, let me know down below. I'm going to try to get some new palettes to do looks with. If you guys have any suggestions for palettes, then let me know because I'll grab them. I'm in need of some new good palettes to use. I hope everyone has a great Valentine's Day and shows love to everyone that they care about in their life. All my social media will be linked down below if you want to go follow me on Twitter or Instagram. I have some more looks and actually some hairstyles that I do. I post a lot of my work on my social media, so you can go check that out if you want to go see. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you have not already and ring the little bell to get notified every time I post a new video, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.